What up, Zo YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Barber Jacobs. And today I just want to talk about a little bit and moving on to self-cut. But the first thing is that I'm moving out of my apartment in 2 weeks. So that's why lately I haven't uploaded any of the videos because I have to wrap up a lot of things. You know, leaving away from Germany for a while. I'm going back home and take a break, you know, enjoy my summer holiday with my family. So I'm cleaning up a lot of things in my room, so I was quite busy. I couldn't upload any of the videos, but I'll try to upload more often once I get home. You know, I have to quarantine for 14 days. So I'll be uploading random stuff, you know, like ASMR, self-cut, shoe review as much as I can. So that's the first thing. And second thing is today's video I'm gonna cut my hair, of course, because you know the hair is growing out and I think I haven't done low fade in a while, so I'm gonna give myself, you know, quick low fade today. But this time I'll be using 0.5 guard and 1.5 guard because I've uploaded many self-cut tutorial videos without these guards, but I haven't uploaded the otherwise. So I think it will be helpful. And also if you want to check it out, low fade tutorial without 0.5 guard, there's already a previous video uploaded in my YouTube channel, so check them out. And shall we start? Buzz! Someone once told me every good thing must come from a good preparation, and this is what I'm talking about. So if you want to have a good haircut or if you want to have a good self-cut session, and you got to prepare right. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using my comb to kind of separate my hair the way I want it to look, and I'm using number 4 guard lever all the way open to kind of clean up that side of my hair. Now that everything looks good and I'm ready to fade my own hair, I'm going to be creating my initial guideline using a trimmer. And if you do not have a trimmer, you can substitute it with the hair clipper, no guard, lever all the way close. And look how I'm dropping the initial guideline all the way to the back. Because we're doing the low fade, we don't want to go up too high, right? So we're starting off very, very low. The next step is to take out your number 1 guard, lever all the way open, and I'm going to be creating my second guideline an inch above my initial guideline. If you've seen my self-cut tutorial videos before, you might have noticed, because I usually like to create my second guideline with no guard, lever all the way open, but in this time I'm creating my second guideline with number 1 guard, and you understand why. The reason why is because we're doing the low fade and we kind of want to set the limit of how far you want to go up. So I'm already creating the boundary of where the fading starts and ends. Alright, so this is the difference from the other tutorial videos. After setting your second guideline, take out your number 2 guard, lever halfway open. This time I'm trying to connect the end of the fade into the hair on the top already. Alright, so I'm using the corner of my blade and I'm not digging any deeper, or I'm not trying to set another guideline this time. I'm just flicking out that line, try to blend in into the hair on the top. I just want to let all of you know that it is completely okay to not erase the line completely in this step. Alright, this is just to soften the line that we already have, and we're not trying to completely erase the line in this step. So later in the step, we're going to be working on detailing and try to blend in completely. So, you know, be patient with that. Now take out your number 1.5 guard, lever all the way open, and if you don't have a number 1.5 guard, I'll suggest you to check my other low fade self-cut tutorial without 0.5 guard and number 1.5 guard, and I'll put that link in the description, so make sure to check them out as well. But if you do have these guards, put them on, and this time I'm trying to flick out that softened line that we couldn't erase earlier. We try to blend in kind of completely in this step. And my tip for you is to start off with the lever all the way open and go up a little bit higher, and as you go down, close up the lever. So what I like to do is I open up the lever all the way, goes around the head, and if I could still see some line or the bulky area, and I'm gonna close up the lever a little bit and just go back again using my corner though. So you know, self cut is all about patience, you know. Now that I'm done with blending the fade to the side of hair, I'm gonna take off my guard, no guard, lever all the way open, and I'm gonna try to flick out that initial guideline. As I mentioned previously, I'm gonna start off with no guard, lever all the way open to go around the head first, and if I couldn't take out some of the line, I'm gonna close up the lever later. Yeah, so in this scene I already closed up the lever all the way, and I'm using my corner to kind of like attack that, like the line remaining on my scalp. And this is just a tiny detail work that you should be working on. This is just the extra step because the fade is kind of already looking nice, but if you have 0.5 guard or half guard, I'm using it to kind of clean up the fade, you know, tiny detail work just to make my fade look a little nicer. It's already looking nice, but I want to make it nicer. So if you have these guards, just use them, make the best out of it. And I'm using my corner to kind of clean up. Okay, so I still didn't like that connection between the fade and the hair on the side. So what I'm trying to do is I'm putting back on number 2 guard, and this time I'm gonna be closing up the lever all the way. So lever all the way close, and I'm trying to blend it even better. Detail work, like I mentioned, detail work is always important. Always go back to the guards you've used throughout the process. Don't just think you get it in the first time. Always go back to the same guard, going back and forth to adjust that nice fade. Second quote of the day: every haircut must end with crisp hairline. Okay, so that's why I'm using my trimmer to kind of line up my hairline, try to make it look more box shape hairline. So take your time. I will suggest you take your time, one by one, step by step. Sometimes take your own picture, you know, selfie, to see the line is symmetrical and crisp and nice. And just so you know, if you haven't subscribed to Duck Barber yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I'll be dropping more self-cut tutorials as well as haircut tutorials. And I've also recently started this shoe review from AliExpress, shoe review from different websites that sells fake Air Jordan, Nike shoes, or any sneakers in general. So I do a lot of reviewing and all that stuff. So good stuff, you don't want to miss out. So make sure to hit that subscribe button with a bell. And you're gonna see the result right now. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. This is the cut. What do you guys think? I think this is clean compared to last time, bro, honestly. This is pretty dope. I really like it. You know, this is kind of like a taper cut, but still, it's still fake because it goes around. But I really like the look. But if you like the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And hope to see you very soon. Boos!